CarCast. BMW M5 F90. The BMW M5 is the high-performance version of the BMW 5 Series, developed by BMW's M division. The F90 M5 is based on the G30 platform and features an all-wheel drive system, xDrive, for the first time in M5 history. This system primarily drives the rear wheels, but can also be configured to send power only to the rear when stability control is disabled. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic. The 2021 facelift introduced a sharper, more dynamic look. The front and rear bumpers were redesigned, and the headlights adopted a new, minimalistic L-shaped daytime running light signature. The M5 Competition variant comes with stiffer springs, increased front camber, a body lowered by 7 millimeters, and a revised exhaust system. New exterior colors were added, including Motegi Red, Brands Hatch Gray, Tanzanite Blue 2, Individual Aventurine Red, and Frozen Bluestone. Inside, the updated M5 features a 12.3-inch infotainment display, upgraded from the previous 10.25-inch screen, and runs on the iDrive 7.0 system. It supports wireless Android Auto, natural voice commands, cloud-based navigation, and faster route calculations. 2 new interior trim options are offered: black leather and beige Alcantara. The new Track Mode disables all driver assistance and entertainment functions for a focused driving experience. Under the hood, the M5 is powered by an upgraded version of the previous S63 engine. It produces 600 horsepower, 441 kilowatts, and 750 newton-meters of torque. The M5 Competition increases power output to 617 horsepower, with peak torque maintained between 1,800 and 5,800 RPM. The 8-speed automatic transmission replaces the previous dual-clutch system, chosen for its durability and smooth gear shifts. Performance-wise, the F90 M5 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.4 seconds. The competition model does it in just 3.1 seconds. It reaches 200 km per hour in 11.1 seconds and completes the quarter mile in 10.9 seconds. With the optional M Drivers package, the top speed is increased to 305 km per hour. Despite the addition of an all-wheel drive system, the F90 M5 is 40 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. CarCast.